Hello, this is the second video of the repair of the solar inverter SMA Tripower. The error shown was 6408, and according to the service manual, the reason is called UCE monitoring. Mysterious error. I did some research on internet and on a German forum. There was someone who was suggesting that UCE could be meaning the voltage of a collector emitter of a power transistor. Very possible, I would say, because there are power transistors inside. So the power transistors, they are called IGBT, and there was another person who had SMA replaced a board with chips, as he was saying. Well, there are two boards in the inverter. This below board with a display, lots of filtering, and the top board with chips. The solar input is here, two strings, DC, and the output 220 volt, 3 phases here. And via this section, the DC comes to the first IGBT, and IGBT looks like this. It's on the bottom side of the PCB. So this one is in a chopper configuration, and then the output, also DC, will be on a capacitor bank here, 6 capacitors. I think the voltage is then about 320 volt DC, and then the second IGBT is below here, and that one is making 3 sinus waves for the 3 phases, and here three current monitors, current sensors, and then back the output will go down and pushed into the grid. So the error is called UCE monitoring. There are like 2 power transistors in this board, one here and second one there. I did a guess that it was this one, because this one is connected to the grid, and we remember there were times when there was a short circuit in one of the phases. So I ordered a new one, which I already installed. This is the old one. It's a bit difficult to mount. It's a press fit, so you have to press the module evenly inside. I almost broke it. I hope it was alright, but we'll see. I also replaced these 4 capacitors, and small two here and 2 here. I also wanted to replace these 2, but the diameter of these was too large to fit in between here. So I left the old one in. Well, I turned it on, and good news is that it is working. 4 hours, the maximum power was 3000 watts. It is still connected there. Current is still flowing. It's evening now, only 35 watts. So hopefully tomorrow it also works. You might ask me what was the reason, what was the damage, what was the problem. Honestly, I don't know, because I did test the old capacitors and they were alright. Capacitance was still about 380 microfarad. The ESR was also 0.2 ohm, so good condition. These capacitors were also fine, and I did also test the old IGBT, and it tested also correct. So, but in between the fix and the broken system, it was off for about 3 weeks. So there's a small super cap below here that might have been empty by the time, I don't know. I think that the reason is the IGBT was damaged. But in the coming time we'll see how it performs. I'm happy that it works again. Okay, bye.